Meet Gustavo, a commercial pilot who aspires to work for an international airline, and he's been looking for a course to practice and improve his ICAO English skills and not miss the opportunity to get hired by any local or international airline. Well, you know what? His search is over. He found Waypoint. It's the most complete aviation English program for pilots, so Gustavo and any other pilot like you can access the best learning solution anytime, anywhere. In this video, we want to show you a sneak peek of what's to come in our amazing Waypoint program through a free demo lesson. To access the demo, first you need to go to our website, www.waypointprogram.com. Click on Try Demo, and then sign up using your email. Next, you will receive an email to confirm your account. Log in and complete the pop-up forms to personalize your account. This will help us to know you better and provide you with a more customized learning experience. After you hit the Submit button, you'll immediately see a quick website tour showing you the features of our program. We encourage you to take the tour. Now, you're on the main page of our e-learning platform, EOS. Go to the Waypoint program and give it a click. Great! You're inside the program. Here, you will be able to access the ebook, schedule your online classes with an instructor of your choice, request help, organize your learning among other things. Okay. Click on Start to unlock your ebook and program. Now, you can see the padlock is unlocked. Then, click on the module section to display the unit and hit the unit to display the lesson. They function as an accordion. And there you go! Now you can see all the tasks for this demo lesson. We're pretty sure Gustavo is already learning and enjoying our demo, so what are you waiting for? We're leaving the link to our website and the demo in the description section below.